direction, without a follow, without a mention. You really piping up on these. You gotta be nice for what to these.
Hey guys, it's Jerika. Welcome to my channel. I gotta figure out how to get a good YouTube setup. I'll be doing a video on my YouTube filming setup. It's really bootleg, so it's really nothing to show, but I know there's some people out there who will appreciate a bootleg setup because that's probably all you have right now. So anyway, so this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some cheap Amazon brushes. If you guys have been subscribed to my channel since 2014, which 98% of you probably have not, I did a haul a long time ago on some Amazon brushes, and I'm going to show a few of them right here. These brushes have been through the storm and back, you guys. Like, I bought these I think in April of 2014. As you can see, as much as I've washed them, the wood peeling, the black peeling has peeled off. Then that can be kind of annoying, but I've had them for 4 years and the bristles are still super soft. Like, I still use these brushes every single day when I do my brows. So it might be peeling and they've come completely apart, like right where this part meets the actual handle. As you can see, they have duct tape on them, Gorilla Tape actually. About all these brushes just about have tape on them, but it's okay. Like, I maybe paid $12 for these brushes. They are amazing brushes. If you don't really care about the handles falling off in a few years, you can go ahead and duct tape it and still use the bristles. They're still super soft and they're just bomb. These brushes are amazing. This one's still holding on. This is what they look like when I first got them, but it's loose. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but yeah, this brush is hanging off for dear life. Anyway, like I said, the brushes, they may be on the bootleg status, but they still work amazing, and I'm fine with that. Whenever the brushes do not work anymore, then that's when I get rid of them. Until then, they're gonna stay right there. Okay, so what this video is about is affordable Amazon brushes, because Amazon is just the king of all shopping experiences online, and then they came out with Prime and made everything even more bomb. So these brushes I saw in a makeup group. I'm in a makeup group on Facebook called Makeup for Real Black Women, Makeup for Black Women. There's a few other groups, but I mostly post in Makeup for Real Black Women because I feel like that group is the most active. Some of the other groups can get really petty really fast, but we won't go into that. So anyway, somebody posted in a group that this company was having a sale. These brushes are regular $12.99 a piece, but with the coupon code they were $3.99. And if you have Prime, you could get them in 2 days, which I have Prime. So I went ahead and I was like, yes, thank you for letting us know about this wonderful sale. Because who doesn't like a sale? It says, welcome to my shop. Thanks. We would be extremely grateful if you could leave us positive feedback and review. Okay, I'm going to read it. It says, dear customer, thank you for selecting us. Ooh, this is making me cross-eyed. Ooh, we hope what you purchase from us can meet your demands. We continuously work to improve our brushes and guarantee the quality. And every commodity we sell is 100% new. If you have any problems during using the brushes, please do not hesitate to contact us on Amazon. We would like to take all responsibility and provide you a satisfactory solution. Thank you for trusting us in advance. Wish you great health and success in all your future fortunes. Yeah, I think this is a Chinese-based company. You can just tell by the language, which is okay with me. So these are marble brushes, which I think they're super cute. They're rose gold and marble. I've been having an obsession with rose gold lately. I have no idea why. But yeah, these brushes are really nice. I'm going to go ahead and film a close-up really quick. Okay, so now that I got that out the way, so it says on the box what each brush is. So there's 8 brushes and they are marble and rose gold, which I think is super pretty. They're really pretty. I really like them. So let me go ahead and see what brush is what. Okay, so we're going to start with the eyeliner brush. Of course, you have the eyeliner brush. Go ahead and take the plastic off. It's like this. It doesn't have a curve on it or anything, so it just looks like this. Hope you guys can see it. It's really thin, so I actually might be able to use this. I'm really excited about this one. I'm probably going to use it to do my winged eyeliner. The next brush on the list is a sponge tip smudge brush, which is this brush right here. If you don't know what a smudge brush is specifically like when you want to, not specifically, you can use it for anything, but what I would use this for is when I apply liner on my lower lash line and you want to smudge it out or smudge out the eyeshadow on your lid. This is exactly what that is for. The next brush on here is an angled brow brush. You know, it's really hard to find a super dense eyebrow brush. Everybody said they have eyebrow brushes, which it could be an eyebrow brush, but at the same time, it's like it's too wide. Like the bristles are too wide, so you can't really get the super sharp and precise lines with these type of brushes. Which is why I went ahead and spent the $18 and got the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow brush, because there is no brow brush better than this. Even the BH Cosmetics one, which is this one, which is what I was using at first, this one is the second best. Morphe probably has a good one too, but I don't have it. And then the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow brush, like, you just can't go wrong with this. If you use gel liner, I mean not gel liner, like eyebrow gel, like the NYX eyebrow gel, like what I use, or if you use Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow, you need that brush. This brush is not going to do you any good for doing your eyebrows because it's too wide. It's just too wide. So I don't know what I would use this for, but definitely not eyebrows and definitely not wing liner, because like I said, it's way too thick. The next brush is a concealer brush. Okay, so the concealer brush is this one right here. It is really small, as you guys can see. Hope you can see it. It's just a small concealer brush. You can use it to put concealer on your face or under your brows. It's just a small concealer brush, so you can use it to conceal spots on your face before you apply your foundation. It's really good for that. The next brush is a detail brush, which this was going to be a little hard to figure out because these look the same. Okay. So the detail brush is this one. Don't even begin to ask me what you could possibly use this for. I think I would use it for like blending out the crease or something. Not applying the crease, but blending out the crease would probably be something that I would use this for. It's a really dense brush, so if you're blending something out with this, just know it's going to take most of the eyeshadow with it. So if you're trying to blend out not as harsh, then you definitely don't want to use something this dense. You want to use more of a fluffy blending brush. Next is a shading brush. Okay, so this brush, I wish they were numbered. This brush that I have here is a shading brush. Yeah, I can't even give you guys an explanation. I really don't know. Like, I have a bunch of these type of little brushes and I never really use them. But like I said, these brushes were $3.99. So like really, like what you could find something to do with this brush for $3.99. Okay, the next brush is a tapered blending brush. Now this is a brush that I'll be using a lot. I love tapered blending brushes. They are life. They are life. So here's the tapered blending brush. It tapers off until kind of like a point, so these are really good for doing transition colors. Girl really good for doing crease colors, even a little bit under the crease. These are really good for that. So yeah, you definitely need to check out like any taper blending brush. Like every girl should have one because it just makes applying your makeup so much more easier. The last one is the base shadow brush. So I would assume this is one where you just dot the eyeshadow base. This would be really good for like gel liner when you're trying to do a smoky eye like what I did before. This will be a good brush for that. So this is what they look like. I can't vouch for as how good they're going to work for me or how good they're going to last. I have not used them obviously, but there is a brand on here that I do recommend. I'm going to show you guys really quick. The brand is Qivange. These brushes are life. Like, I will leave the link down below for these as well. These are great. I use these every time I do eyeshadow looks. They are really good. They are reliable brushes. I don't know how to say the name. I've butchered it many times in my videos. I also just bought a rose gold brush set from BH Cosmetics. Super cute. Like I said, I'm just really feeling rose gold, so I'll leave the link below for these as well. But yes, you guys, getting makeup brushes and your first makeup palettes is probably the most exciting thing when you know you want to do makeup. So I highly recommend, like I said, Morphe palettes. Morphe palettes are great for beginners, and these Amazon brushes or BH Cosmetic brush sets is the perfect place to start. If you guys like this video, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate all my new subscribers. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, I suggest you do so. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat to keep up with me in my daily life. Also, don't forget to check out my fashion, beauty, lifestyle, travel blog. I'm so excited about this blog. I always mention it in my videos now. So make sure you go there, www.jerikasincere.com. And also, my travel blog, Well, it's not really a blog. I took the blog off of there because I have it a part of my fashion blog now. But if you want to become a travel agent and travel with me, travel the world for cheap, learn how you can find cheap flights and things like that. If you're just somebody that wants to, always said that you want to travel the world but you feel like it's too expensive, or you just feel like you don't have the time, or whatever reason, if you want to travel the world, go ahead and hit up my website, www.sisterhoodtravel.info. We would love to have you on our travel squad. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and have a good day.